welcome back to my channel. On today, guys, I will show you how I make a fabulous garlic chili sauce. My neighbor gave me these fresh chilies from her garden. Didn't want them to go to waste, so this is why I'm going to make the sauce with it. I do have, this is garlic that I mince ahead of time and put them in the freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and use those minced garlic. We're going to use an onion, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the tips up, and we're going to blend them, and I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, we have all our chilies. Let's cut the tips off. And now I'm using half of an onion. And we're going to add some oil just so we can blend this up. I'm adding enough just to cover it. As you can see, I'm not measuring. I just eyeball it. And we're going to go ahead and chop these up just a little. All right. I'm going to add this to our pan like this. Every bit of it. I'm going to also add some of my minced garlic like that. I'm going to add all my garlic in. So you're going to allow this to cook. See how fabulous this looks so far? So once it starts cooking, I'll come back and show you what it should look like. This has been cooking for a few minutes. Just want to come in and show you so far what we have. It's looking great. You want to also stir it every so often. And your heat has to be on a medium low heat because you do not want your garlic and your onion to burn. It's very important. And also, I mean, the chili peppers, they're spicy, but the aroma is not as strong as a Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper. So, I mean, you do not have to open up your windows or do this outdoor. Because I'm in the kitchen, all my windows are closed, and I'm fine. Okay? So we're going to allow this to cook, and then I'll come back and show you what other ingredients I add to it. All right, this has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, just regular salt. And this is salt to taste. I'm not measuring this. That should be enough. And also, I'm going to add some black pepper. Or if you have peppercorn, you can add that as well. I ran out of peppercorn. That's fine. It's not going to make a big difference. And also, I will be adding some sugar cane. You can add whatever sugar you want. And this is going to help balance the heat just a little bit. If you notice, I did not add too much sugar. We're going to give this a stir. And the last ingredient that I will add to this would be some white vinegar. You do not want to add too much, but I'm just adding the vinegar just so we can have a longer shelf life for our hot sauce. That's about, I would say, 1 to 2 tablespoons. So that's perfect where it's at. And you do want to give it a taste. Okay, this is good where it's at. You want to make sure your salt level is where it needs to be. And it's very, very, it's not too hot, guys. Not at all. Very delicious. We're going to allow this to cook
for maybe another 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll come back and show you.
All right, just wanted to show you our garlic chili sauce. Guys, it is fabulous. It is delicious. The smell is outstanding. The house smells so lovely. You can add this to anything that you're eating. It's not too spicy. The heat level is perfect. Until next time, please like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe.